Today, we are going to see how to assign a static IP to your computer and to billion routers. Do you know what is DHCP? DHCP is a process of assigning automatic or dynamic IP address to the devices connected in the network. Please do read the following to have a clear idea of what DHCP is and how it works in the real scenario. Do you know how to assign a static IP on Windows PC or disable DHCP? For that, please go to Network and Internet Settings on the PC, right-click the Network and Internet tab and select Open Network and Internet Settings option. From the pop-up Network Settings menu, double-click on Change Adapter option. Now from the list of network connections, right-click on Ethernet options and click Properties. From the Local Area Connection Properties tab, double-click the Internet Protocol version 4 option. To assign a static IP, then change the option as use following IP address and key in the IP address for the machine, subnet mask and default gateway. Note that default gateway is the default IP address of your router. After entering the addresses, press OK button on both IPv4 Properties tab and LAN Connection Properties window. And a static IP has been assigned. This will show how to enable DHCP on Windows PC if already a static IP has been assigned. Go to the Ethernet options, click on Properties, double-click on Internet Protocol version 4 option. If a static IP is already assigned to your PC, select Obtain IP address automatically and press OK button on both Internet Protocol version Properties tab and Local Area Connections Properties window to enable DHCP. To assign a static IP, please log in to router's configuration page. Click Configurations tab, LAN and find Static IP lease list, then press Add button. On the next tab, set host name, MAC address and IP address. Host label can be set as any string. MAC address is the host's MAC address. Key in the IP address you want to assign for this particular MAC address. Please make sure this IP address is out of the DHCP range. Now we are going to see how to disable DHCP on billion routers. To do so, open up a web browser and type the default IP address of the router, say 192.168.1.254 and press Enter. On the sign-in pop-up window, type username and password as admin, which is the default router password. Note that it's not the username and password for Wi-Fi. Router credentials are set default by the manufacturers. Once the page opens up, go to Configurations tab, LAN and Ethernet, which is on the left-hand side. From the window appearing onto the right, click drop-down button of DHCP server option, disable it and press Apply to save the settings. Remember to assign a static IP either on computer or router to access the configuration page after disabling DHCP. This slide will help you to learn how to change IP address of the router. This needs to be done when there is an IP conflict. To do so, log into the configuration page of the router and go to Configuration Settings. Then LAN, Ethernet, and change the DHCP range to another range. For example, change IP from 192.168.1.254 to 192.168.2.254. Check whether the start IP and end IP are in the same range. Then press apply to save the settings. Why do you want to manually release and renew IP address? If IP address is not automatically obtained, to go to command prompt, press Windows key and R key at the same time. Then type CMD and press enter. Type IP config at the prompt window, wait for a while, and observe the IP address issued by DHCP server. In this example it will be 192.168.1.254 as the default gateway, and 192.168.1.7 as the IP address issued to the PC. Thank you for watching. Please do contact us if you have any queries. Please like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.